Hi, my name is Mahesh Lavanas, and in this demo I'll show you how to install Archimedes on your computer. You will see a video of me whenever I have to make a key point, so please keep that in mind and let's get started. To install Archimedes, we need to do three things. We need to install the MySQL database along with some GUI tools which make it easy to manage MySQL. We need to install the JBoss portal server. And finally, we need to deploy Archimedes on the portal server. If you go to the installation section of our website and click on Archimedes, you will see all the links you need to deploy MySQL, JBoss server, and also Archimedes. Let us start by installing MySQL. You can do this by clicking on the MySQL server link that you see on this installation page. This will bring you to the download page of the MySQL community server. If you scroll down, you will see that they offer you several types of installers. We recommend that you download one of the full installers that you see in the lower part of this list and not the essential installers which are smaller and appear in the top part of this list. To download an installer, you can click on the download button. Once you have downloaded the installer, you can run it by simply double clicking on it and following the MySQL installation wizard. The wizard will give you an option to either do a typical installation or a customized installation. We recommend that you go with the typical installation because that is the installation against which we have tested Archimedes. It will also give you an option to set a root password. We very strongly recommend that you set a root password and also make sure you remember this password because you will need it later to configure the Archimedes database in MySQL. Once you have installed MySQL, you can look at its service by going to Start, Control Panel, System and Security, Administrative Tools, Services. If you scroll down this list of services, you will see the MySQL service. It should be started and you will see options to control this service on the left side of this window. You can now go ahead and close this window and any other open windows. Let us now install the MySQL GUI tools which will make it easy to manage the MySQL server. To do this, follow the link for the MySQL workbench that you see on the install page of our website. This will bring you to the download page of the MySQL workbench. If you scroll down, you will see that they offer you several different types of installers. Please select the one which is best for you and download it by clicking on the download button. Once you have downloaded the installer, you can run it by simply double clicking on it. Follow the MySQL installation wizard by accepting the defaults, and when you are finished, MySQL Workbench will be installed on your computer. The next thing we need to do is to create a database in MySQL with the name Archimedes DB. We need to create a user Archimedes with a password ArchPass. To do this, we go to the Start, Programs, we look for MySQL, and then we start the MySQL administrator. This will ask you for the root password. This is the password that you set when you installed MySQL on your computer. Specify the password and click OK. This will bring up the MySQL administrator. Make sure that the MySQL server is running. Let us now create the Archimedes database. To do this, click on Catalogs, right click in the bottom left window and select Create New Schema. Specify the schema name Archimedes DB, all small, and click OK. On the left side you will see that the new schema called Archimedes DB has now been created. Next, we need to create a user named Archimedes. To do this, click on User Administration, Right click in the bottom left window and select Add New User. The name of the user is Archimedes, all small, and the password is ArchPass, which is ARCHPASS, all small. Confirm the password. Then go to Schema Privileges. Select the Archimedes DB schemata that we just created. Assign all the privileges. And once you do that, click on Apply Changes. You will now see in your bottom left window that a new user called Archimedes has been created, and all the privileges to the Archimedes DB database have been assigned to it. You can now go ahead and close this dialog box.